Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I am here today with an announcement. Starting today, March 1st, I am having a birthday giveaway. I will draw on my birthday, March 15th. They are going to be 10 lucky winners for a shemodern decal gift card. There will be 7 U.S. winners, 3 international winners. You each get a $20 gift card towards water decals. Not towards stencils, not towards pigments, water decals only. Anything left over may be applied towards other products. You have the two-tone ones that she makes. These are I call them cherry blossoms. This is flower branch number 2. Where you get to pick 2 colors, just like these sandals. These are purple and black, really super cute. These are sandals too. Then they have the solid ones. These are daisies number 5. These are the green, I believe, and these are pink mixed art solids 09. Got your sandals going on here. I like to call them flip-flops, but she says they're sandals. And you got your bikinis. There are many, many, many different decals to pick from. Over 17 colors. So with $20, you can get you 2 sets at least. Add a little bit more, couple bucks more to it, and get you 3. You don't pay shipping on a giveaway. So look, there's, how can you beat it? How can you beat it? Here are my rules. You must be subscribed to my channel. No giveaway accounts. I know there are a few that follow me, but no giveaway accounts. If you are solely here for the giveaway, this is not for you. This is for my subscribers. People who want to be subscribed to my channel, I am welcoming new subscribers. So please share this. This is not just for the giveaway. I mean, this is a giveaway video. This is a birthday giveaway, as I stated. But I want to grow my channel, and I want to have people who are going to watch be supportive. So if you know those kind of people, please share my videos. You can find me on Instagram as well at NailedIt67. I'm having a giveaway there as well, a birthday giveaway. There are multiple sponsors on that giveaway. I've not decided yet if there's going to be one winner or multiples. But this one here for YouTube is a one sponsor giveaway, shemodern.com. Please subscribe to their channel here on Instagram. Subscribe to them on YouTube, I'm sorry. My mind's everywhere. Please subscribe to them here on YouTube. On Instagram, they are she_modern. Please follow them there. You must be 18 years old or older. Well, you have to put enter me, U.S. or international, please. What else is there? Must be subscribed. Enter me, U.S. or international. No giveaway accounts. And I will be drawing on the 15th. I may even go live and do it. I haven't decided that yet. That'd be kind of cool. So yeah, this is my announcement. Birthday giveaway. Thanks for watching. Spread the word. Thank you. Have a blessed day.